Hi, I'm Nick from West Bend Mutual Insurance Company, and today we're talking about when to review your insurance policy with your agent. Have you had a life-changing event that might require an adjustment to your insurance policy? What do you do when your policy arrives? My guess is, if you're like most people, you take a quick glance and then file it away until it's needed. Because life is constantly changing, it's wise to review your policy more frequently. Here are some times when you should review your policy. First, let's talk about policy renewal. When you receive your renewal, ask yourself the following questions. Is there any documentation from the insurance company that indicates a coverage change? Does it make sense to increase my deductible in an effort to save money? Do I need an additional policy such as flood, earthquake, or umbrella policy? Do I qualify for any discounts? At West Bend, we offer discounts for safe and accident-free drivers, new and updated homes, multi-car families, resident students, and anti-lock brakes and other safety devices. What about do-it-yourself projects? If you've lived in your home for a while and decide it's time to make some upgrades to your home, don't forget about how those changes could affect your insurance coverage. Kitchens and bathrooms are often the focus of many DIY home remodeling projects. Expanding the size of them or installing materials that are more expensive could cause your home to be underinsured if a total loss is occurred. Don't forget about improvements outside your home. In my neighborhood, gazebos and pergolas along with hot tubs are very popular. A new shed may be needed to have room to store your new toys in your garage, such as a boat or a motorcycle. Lastly, a roof is a big investment. Many insurance carriers charge more for homeowners insurance if a roof is older. Replacing the roof could change your home coverage from actual cash value to replacement costs. Replacement cost provides the coverage you need to replace your roof, while actual cash value provides coverage for the value of your roof at the time it's replaced. It takes into account the depreciation of the shingles. Let's go over some examples of when changes should be reported to your insurance agent. You buy a new car. Now what? Auto coverage for a new replacement auto can vary. A new car is one you bought in addition to cars you already own. A replacement car is just that, one you replaced a vehicle you previously owned. What coverage you have can depend on whether the car is a new car or a replacement car. It can also depend on the coverage your company provides. Regardless, you need to make changes to your auto policy within a specified period of time in order for coverage to apply. The wording in your policy determines what coverage, if any, is automatic and you need to report the change. Do you have liability coverage only? Do you need to carry collision and other than collision coverages on your new auto? Is your car financed through a bank? What coverage do they require? When you talk to your agent, you'll need to know this information along with the details of your new car. Year, make, model, and serial number. It's in your best interest to call your agent right away to make any of these changes to your policy. Don't rely on your car dealer or banker to make these changes for you. What about purchasing a new home? Your homeowner's policy covers only the dwelling shown on your policy's declaration page. A new or replacement home isn't automatically covered, so you must call your agent with all the required information about your new home, such as the address of your new home, what year was the home built, who's the responding fire department, have any updates been made to the home roof, furnace, or electrical system, does the home have a wood-burning stove? Once your agent has all the necessary information, he or she should be able to bind coverage for you either verbally or in writing. And finally, what about lifestyle changes? Kids leaving or returning home after college, or elderly parents moving into your home can affect your insurance policy. So can a recent marriage, divorce, or sudden death of a spouse. For more tips like this, subscribe to our West Bend Cares blog, and thanks for watching.